Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to unfold the bumper cover and get it ready for installation. First, let's take the bumper cover out of its original packaging. Here we go, one freshly folded bumper cover. All right. Be careful of your hands when you're opening this thing. I'm using a knife, it might be really sharp. So after you take your bumper cover out of the box, you're going to want to look for the instructions. Sometimes it may be loose in the box, or sometimes it may be attached to the bumper cover. Let's see for this one. Oh, yep. It just happens to be right here. Once you find your instructions, you're going to want to make sure to read this step by step and carefully. If you guys don't find the instructions in the box, you can go ahead and just click the link below. So when you open your bumper, if you see any minor scuffs or dings, don't worry. The bumper does come pre-primed, so you do have to do one scuff before you get it primed and painted. You're going to want to inspect your bumper, make sure there's nothing crazy on here. This one looks pretty clean, looks like there's no issues. But even minor scuffs will be taken care of during the painting process. So there's two methods to unfold your bumper cover. The first method works best on a warm sunny day. Let's go outside.
Place your bumper cover on cardboard or soft surface facing down. Your bumper cover can take anywhere from 1 to 4 hours to unfold, depending on how warm it is. After 2 to 3 hours, flip your bumper cover to face forward. For the last hour, flip your bumper facing up. Test fit your unfolded bumper on your vehicle.
So if it's too windy or cold outside, you can also do it inside. All you're going to need is a heat gun or a blow dryer. So you're going to want to flip the bumper up onto the front where the fold is. You're going to have your heat. Yeah, I already feel it softening up and kind of coming back. So our bumpers have a built-in memory material. So after it gets heated up, it goes right back to how the original form is. You're going to want to keep it moving like this, nice and slow. And as you do that, you'll feel the material soften up and slowly popping back into place. So you're going to not want to do this so close. That's too close. You want to keep it a little bit further away and just keep it moving. So I'm using a heat gun today. It's a little bit more powerful than a blow dryer. It may take you just a little bit longer with a blow dryer, but it'll still get the job done. So this looks pretty good. Next step would be to test fit it on your vehicle. If you test fit it on your vehicle and you find parts that are still folded or that may need some work, you might just take the heat gun to it again. If not, you could take it directly to prime and paint. If you need further assistance, you can reach our customer service team via live chat, email, or phone. We're happy to help.
Follow us at CarParts.com and CarParts.com official for more installations, tips, and builds.